is I take my frozen containers of soup, and that is my ice. Okay, and I take my little cups. I take 2 of my cups of beans, and those are ice. And I also recently had some fruit salad that I froze because nobody else wanted any of my fresh fruit salad I took to a family dinner. So when I got home, I froze them in little 1 cup containers. And so I put one of those down into my little cooler. And then it's thawed out by like about 2 o'clock. So good. Oh, slushy is so good. But I put my raw veggies around these frozen containers. So I'm not putting ice packs. I'm putting frozen soups and beans and stuff like that in there as my ice packs. And then by 5 o'clock, they're thawed out enough. And my soup, it may be cold. I don't care. It's still good.
Right.
I love my soups.
Gazpacho.
Yeah, like gazpacho. So, but make it work for you,